Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set weekly spend limits and instant notification in N26. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So although N26 does not offer a dedicated weekly spending limit, you can still set your daily spending and withdrawal limits on your card though. So through your mobile application or website, you can do all these stuffs. All N26 users receive instant push notifications for account activity. To adjust the limit on your N26 card, you need to open your N26 and tap on the card's icon on the home screen. Now you can choose the card you wish to update and select the limits to adjust the daily limits for the card payments and ATM withdrawals. Now you can navigate to the My Accounts in the N26 mobile application or website and go to App Setting. Select Marketing Communication to toggle these notifications on or off. Now to get your analysis on your daily spendings or tracking your spending, you can look after your statistics, insights, rules, and roundups as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.